एक कहानी मशहूर थी कि इंग्लैंड की टीम भारत से खेलना नहीं चाहती थी। वो नहीं चाहते थे कि भारत की टीम जिन पर उनका कब्जा है वो उनको हराए। वेम्बली का मैदान था, करीब 50,000 दर्शक वहां मौजूद थे होस्ट टीम का मनोबल बढ़ाने के लिए।
Previously, for almost 3 Olympics, British avoided India so that they will never have a tag of losing to a colony.
ये एक कहानी मशहूर हो गई थी कि साहब हारना नहीं चाहते, खासतौर से इंडियन से, इसलिए वो खेलते ही नहीं थे। जब 48 में ओलंपिक हुआ लंदन में, तब तो एज ए होस्ट उनको खेलना था और भारत के लिए भी बहुत बड़ी चुनौती थी इंग्लैंड जाकर अपने वर्ल्ड चैंपियन के रुतबे को बरकरार रखना।
The new dominion of India.
Half of the talent is drained because the country underwent the painful phase of partition.
Another new entry, the dominion of Pakistan.
To secure independence, the Hindus had with great reluctance accepted partition. Pakistan was established for the Muslims, a minority group who refused to be ruled by Hindus. Tens of thousands of people were killed because of their religion. In a frightened, desperate attempt to save their lives, millions of Indians began a journey that over the months was to become the greatest mass migration in history.
You know, we just assumed they won. It was so easy, right? But there were many factors and we could have very easily lost. Who are these people who went there and said, we are going to represent this new country that has just been made and stand for this new flag? I discovered, again, while doing the film, that my father had been a refugee at the time that he was in that team.
My father was a member of the Indian hockey team that won the gold at the 48 and 52 Olympics.
क्योंकि ये पहली दफ़ा टीम 1936 के बाद ओलंपिक में जाने वाली थी और to wear India blazer was a big honor.
The story that you hear in Tang, the documentary, is what happened to the Pakistanis who didn't win. So they went there thinking that they were going to play in that final and they didn't make it to the final and the Indians made it, and you know, where was the other guy? They weren't around.
I proclaim open the Olympic Games of London, celebrating as the 14th Olympiad of the modern era.
For one, it was a very young team. So there had been a gap of 12 years.
और भारत के करीब 35 चोटी के खिलाड़ी पाकिस्तान चले गए थे, तो भारत की टीम में भी वो क्लास नहीं रह गई थी। उस बैकग्राउंड में भारत की टीम इंग्लैंड गई थी।
But he gets a lot of fun and exercise from keeping a very small ball in motion. When it's done by 22 men with sticks, we call it hockey.
फाइनल में पहुंचे और फाइनल में उनका मुकाबला इंग्लैंड से था। उस दिन खासी बारिश थी, बारिश हो गई थी, मैदान बहुत गीला था, रफ्तीला था, जो कि सूट कर रहा था इंग्लिश स्टाइल ऑफ हॉकी को।
Vaulting with a wet and slippery pole can be a tricky and even dangerous business.
Right away, the Indian team's brilliant passing baffled the home side, and it wasn't long before the Dominion's first goal. Another Indian goal followed in the first half, while Britain tried in vain to break through. The second half and 2 further goals added up to the final score.
इसके बावजूद भी भारत ने इंग्लैंड को 4 से हराया था। बलबीर सिंह उस मैच के हीरो थे।
The team was so powerful, they could beat them 4-0 in front of their own crowd and did not concede a goal. The team that ran away from you and is playing at their home and you are beating them in front of their own crowd.
वो एक बहुत बड़ा मोमेंट था भारत के हॉकी के लिए। इंग्लैंड को उनकी धरती पर और इतनी कन्विंसिंगली हराना, ये बड़ी बात थी।
नेशनल एंथम बज रहा है, झंडे थले खड़े अटेंशन सारे ऐसे वो सीन बार बार मेरे किताब च भी लिखे कई डॉक्यूमेंट्री होता है कि the national anthem sounded so sweet and national flag flying high at the top.
But the biggest challenge came that the semi-finals and finals were played in Wembley Stadium. But the match against Holland was a very close one. Dutch team was saying that, it could have been anybody's match. And it's possible, it could have been anybody's match. So after they'd won the gold, our team invited Holland that you pick the place and time and we'll play you again. Just so that you're at rest about who should have won that match. So they said, fine, you come to Holland. They went to Holland and they thrashed them 6-0. It was just like, okay, कि अब बात खत्म हो गई, मैं बता रही हूँ मतलब कि ये spirit.
देखिए साहब, पैशन है, हॉकी.
He's not mad, he's just Dhanraj.
Cricket did what cricket did. Hockey had to find a way.
हॉकी एक कहानी थी, खत्म हो गई. You want to see a medal? I show you a medal.
It has those 8 goals. 8!
All exercises you've done before, we are using the track today. I did put it between block 3 and block 4. I prepare. You got me. I know.
When I stepped into Jeevaraja Sports School as an athlete, I never had any idea about hockey or any other games because in my village, we never took sports as a career or we never gave any importance to sports. It's only one day. Being a kid, that put me into an insecurity because you know that even you give your 200%, you are not going to beat them and you are not going to make a place in the school team. When you found out that, okay, hockey is the easiest way to play for the Kerala team, I thought that, okay, that is the best thing, and I jumped into hockey. So the first few months were really tough because I started to believe that I chose a wrong game. And the coach came, then he asked who wanted to be a goalkeeper. Then automatically again the shortcut mentality, every time when you go into the hockey field you see this goalkeeper standing in a corner and doing nothing, just kicking the ball. So being a fatty lazy boy, I found it like that is the perfect opportunity for me. I said, coach, I'll be the goalkeeper so that I don't want to run anymore. Then from there my journey started. I think after 24 years, I think where I am sitting now, it is like somewhere I feel like, okay, with that shortcut mentality, the decision what you made, helped you to reach in this level.
स्टार्टिंग से ना टैटूज बहुत पसंद है. जब मैं बचपन से ना डेविड बैकम और रोनाल्डो को, तो इसीलिए मेरा जर्सी नंबर भी 7 रखा हुआ है मैंने अपना. मेरे फैमिली में मेरे दोनों बड़े भाई हॉकी खेलते थे, बट फैमिली की कंडीशन की वजह से उनको हॉकी छोड़ना पड़ा. लोकल टूर्नामेंट था हमारे वहाँ पे, तो वहाँ पे खेलने चला गया. तो काफ़ी लेट हो गए हम लोग. तो हम लोग जब घर पे आए तो मेरी मम्मी ने दरवाज़ा खोला और बस शुरू हो गई. वो कोच को बोलने लगी सब कुछ ना. तो पता नहीं उस वक्त मैं पूरा डरा खड़ा था कोच के पीछे. उस वक्त ना मैं टूर्नामेंट से ना मैं प्लेयर ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट निकला, तो मुझे 500 रुपये मिले थे. तो मैंने आगे बढ़ के और मम्मी को ये बोला, मम्मा मेरा फर्स्ट सैलरी. और मेरी मम्मी ने वहीं पे चुप, और उनकी आंखों में पानी आ गया. और उन्होंने फिर उस वक्त बोला कि सॉरी कि मैंने ना तेरी इतनी डेडिकेशन को नहीं समझा, ठीक है, चलो मेरी गलती, आज के बाद तुझे घर की तरफ से पूरा सपोर्ट मिलेगा।
मेरा किस्सा ऐसा है कि मैं क्रिकेट ज़्यादा पसंद करता था। तब किट में जाता था, स्टिक लेके जाता था, बट खेलने क्रिकेट चला जाता था कि चलो एक की ब्लड में, एक बोलते हैं ना पंजाब में, ब्लड में हॉकी है, तो क्यों नहीं तू हॉकी खेल रहा है, तेरा बड़ा भाई हॉकी खेल रहा है। तो अगले दिन से फिर मेरा मन ही ऐसा भर गया कि हाँ अब हॉकी खेलनी है मुझे।
हम जब ऑस्ट्रेलिया से मैच आ रहे 7-1 से, किसी के माइंड में नहीं था कि हम यहाँ से ऐसे हो जाएगा, हार जाएंगे। सब कहते कोई नहीं है कि मैच खराब होता, हमारा हो गया है।
वो माइंडसेट ऐसा था कि सभी एक हमारी मीटिंग हुई थी कि अभी ये टूर्नामेंट अभी प्रॉपर स्टार्ट हो गया है।
इफ यू रियली लुक एट Tokyo as a campaign, except the Australia game, I think the rest of the games were what a team normally calls in an Olympic pool is about control.
The pressure of $1 billion and an empty medal cabinet since 1980 to take on England today.
Yes, as you know that England's are a really tough and arrogant team, so they take all the opportunity to push us into the next level.
Here come the players. India, the only country with 8 gold medals, will be taking on England today. A lot to think about.
When you look at the game against England, it was hugely controlled game. It was where England couldn't find space and couldn't really get through.
A young set of star Indians step forward today, carrying the weight of 41 years.
जब आप 5 मैच खेल के जब आपका क्वार्टर फाइनल आता है, यहाँ से एक इवेंट स्टार्ट हो जाता है। उसके बाद अगर आप जीतोगे आप अंदर होगे, अगर आप हारोगे तो 5 मैचों का भी कोई फायदा नहीं होता है।
Here we go. Race to semi-final starts. Harmanpreet with his sensational dribbling. Indian are looking for their first breakthrough.
A perfect tackle. Pass to Dilpreet. And a fantastic goal. Pass to Gurjit. And what a collection. And what a finish. A terrific goal by Gurjit.
Our conversion rates and our control in the midfield through Hardik and everybody was very, very good.
A penalty corner. Manpreet Singh is in trouble here.
वो मैं मैच कभी नहीं भूलता हूँ, क्योंकि हम लोग काफ़ी अच्छा कर रहे थे। 2-1 से हम लोग लीड ले रहे थे और लास्ट आई थिंक कुछ मिनट रह गए थे, मुझे कार्ड हो गया।
And that is an automatic yellow card. We have seen it in Hockey Pro League. This means India has now to play with only 10 players.
तो मैं ना हार्दिक सेंटर मिड खेलता है, तो मैं बाहर से पूरा चिल्ला रहा, हार्दिक प्लीज मेरे लिए भाग, हार्दिक हार्दिक और रन यार, थोड़ा सा कर लो यार। क्योंकि मुझे पर्सनली लगता है अगर कुछ बाई चांस अगर कुछ हो जाता है तो मैं अपने आप को कभी माफ नहीं कर पाऊंगा।
And now Hardik Singh. Hardik has made it 3.
उन्होंने मेरी जो गलती थी उसको कवर किया और हार्दिक ने गोल किया, जब मुझे बहुत सुकून मिला। 3-1 हुआ, मुझे लगा, मैं कहा चलो यार शुक्र है अभी इतनी टेंशन नहीं है, नहीं तो मुझे बहुत गाली देने वाले थे सभी।
An explosive breakaway from Hardik Singh. That is sensational. That is one of the best goals I have seen from a team under so much pressure, playing with only 10 players. The hopes and dreams of 1 billion nation is on these young men, and they have made their country proud today.
हम नॉर्मली अपना बेस्ट देते हैं, आई थिंक वो मैच में हमने 200% दिया था सभी प्लेयरों ने।
And that is where they strangulated England completely. They just squeezed it off, so that there came a point where the frustration boiled over for England, and for us control became the main area.
You see, 48 we won beating the British, so we are the defending champion. India was directly entered into quarter-final. No pool matches. You played only 3 matches, quarter-final, semi-final, final. Balbir Singh is one man who breathed hockey, ate hockey, lived hockey till his death. tall, handsome Punjabi. He was a star attraction of those times Punjab teams and ultimately Indian teams. It's a great career he had, a long career also, because he started his career immediately after 1936 Olympics. Had he not been in the final, the result could have been different. Even in 1956 Olympics, we defeated Pakistan by 1-0 only. It's not a one-sided game. That was the first ever we met Pakistan in any international match. That was 56 Olympics final. So naturally the fight is going to be tough. So 1906 was a very tough game. In 56 the better team was Pakistan, but we won. And we just lost our Olympic crown. So the preparation for 64 Olympics was huge and gigantic. Prepared very well for the 1964 and they beat everybody. 1960 Olympics was held in a high altitude country. Yeah, we lost the semi-final to Pakistan. Ultimately they won the bronze. Yeah, this 80, on the last minute, most of the top teams had to boycott. But the team we beat, Spain, they were the European champions that time. The reigning European champions. We should not forget that. And the score was 4-3.
आप कहें कि 80 के बाद से तो बिल्कुल ग्राफ नीचे ही जाता रहा.
What happened after that is something that I think one has to probably look at cricket as a sport after winning 83 World Cup. You know, the sudden rise that happened in viewership, the sudden rise that happened in stardom for a lot of players completely took away the attention that hockey used to get. So 83 cricket came over, 84 we really couldn't convert in LA at the Olympic Games. And then the sport took a dive. As popularity diminished, talent did diminish. And then the nail in the coffin, the 86 World Cup in London, we finished 12th. Last. We played Pakistan, Pakistan finished 11th. But understand that even though we finished 12th, who was the man of the tournament? Now that is in stark, there is no parallel to that. That how come a team that finishes last in a World Cup has the best player of the World Cup?